Hello, my name is Ryan Hardy. This is my course reflection for Info 302. Like I said, my name is Ryan Hardy. I am a senior economics major at UT. This is actually one of the last classes that I'm taking before I graduate this May. And really what I was trying to get out of it was a better understanding of some of the information services or technology services that UT has to offer before I start my master's at UT this upcoming July. And I really got a lot more out of this class than I thought I was going to get out of it. It really kind of blew me away of what we learned about and kind of some of the topics that we dove into. So one of the topics that I thought was the most interesting was website design. So learning about the different computer languages, HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and learning about how they make up different parts of a website and what they do and how they play a role into website design. So that was something that I've thought about looking into and didn't really know where to start. So it was really cool learning about it and kind of getting step by step what the different languages do. One of the things I didn't really understand was some of the syntax used for computer languages, but I'm sure that's something where the more you do it, the better you get at it. The next topic that I thought was really interesting was the internet and networking. So I really liked some of the networking basics, so learning about some of the different networks, local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network, personal area network, storage area network, and wireless network. I had no idea that there were so many different kinds of networks. So learning about them and how they comprise the internet and make up the Internet of Things was really interesting. One thing that I didn't really understand and was kind of talked about is how nobody owns the internet. And I didn't really understand why you have to pay for a domain name if nobody owns the internet. I just don't really get that. What I wish we learned about is big data. Big data is something that I think is kind of taking the world by storm. And I wish we dove into a little bit about how people gather big data, how people use the big data, and kind of the techniques and processes that accompany big data, and like how Google and Amazon can take the big data and turn it into valuable insights. So I wish that we had learned a little bit more about that. Most valuable skill, this goes back to the first topic that I thought was really interesting, was website design. I've always wanted to learn how to code my own website, and it was a really straightforward, easy process once it was explained in the tutorials and going through the module. So overall, it's been a really great class, and I feel like I've learned a lot. Thank you very much.